In this tutorial, we will show you how to redeem your referral code. Please navigate to the Bill Please website and click the Sign Up button. Firstly, you need to create your Bill Please SSO account. To do this, enter your credentials and click the Send Code to Email button. Here, you can see how the email should look like. Key in the 6-digit code and click Continue. Now, enter your mobile number and you should receive your 6-digit code via SMS. To complete your account, please enter your personal information and use your actual bank details. Next, enter your organization's email address and enter the 6-digit code that will be sent to that email. Now, you would need to enter your organization's information such as the name, registration number, and bank details. Please note that it would take 3 business days before you can redirect to Bill Please as shown here. To authorize Bill Please as a connected app, you are required to type Bill Please and click the Authorize button. Now, please fill in the remaining contact details. Lastly, insert your provided promo code here and click Submit. You will now be redirected to Bill Please dashboard. Please fill in the information needed as shown here. That's it, you're good to go. Now, you can access your Bill Please dashboard. Happy collecting!